We're going to walk through how to join the Google group for the Ohio Coaches Network. So right here is a flyer that kind of probably invited you or somebody invited you to join. What you're going to do is you're going to click this link. Once you click this link, it's going to take you to Google Groups. If you are not signed into Google, you will need to join. There should be a sign that says Ask to Join Group. If you do not have this option, it could be blocked by your IT admin, and you can either ask to have it unblocked or you can join with a personal Google account. That usually solves that trick. So again, you need to have this Ask to Join group, and if you don't have this screen, then you will probably need to ask your IT admin or you will need to join with a personal Gmail account. So I'm going to go ahead and click Ask to Join, and I'm under my son. The subscription here is for emails. This group does not send out a whole lot of emails, but again, if you want to kind of create summaries or combine updates or don't send emails, you're able to do that. If you click these options of don't send an email, you will still have access to all the Google documents that are shared with the Google group. And you will also have access to all the Google Calendar invites if you choose to join those monthly meetings. Every new message is every single new message coming in. A daily summary would be like a daily email updating you on any emails that were sent daily. And then the final one is combined updates. These would be combined emails that would have multiple kind of emails in one email. So I like to do every new email so I can stay up to date. You're going to just put reason for joining, just put coach in Pickerington or wherever you are located. And then after that, you're going to hit Ask to Join. Once you ask to join, one of the admins are going to get an alert that you need to be added to the Google group. And it can take about a day, I would say, to get added. They're usually pretty quick. So I'm going to go ahead and approve my son, and I'm going to take him out probably. So right here, he is now a member. So when you go back to this link, everything is going to be refreshed and everything is going to be in the Google group. Now you can just open up a Gmail, and again, you'll get all of the new emails that come to you. But if you want to see the backlog or any resources that were shared, you can kind of see here were some resources that were shared ahead of time. So this one talks about using appointment schedules. That was a new appointment. Feature with Google. This one talks about Google certification. So if you're interested in level 1 or 2 exams, this one is about a coaching timeline resource. Also, there's sometimes coaching positions that are posted as well. So again, you're able to go in and you can go back and search by going to the groups.google.com/G/Ohio coaches. You can also go in and see individual members and email individuals if you want to collaborate more, or maybe you had a question that was asked during a meeting. You can also go in and you can go right here to where you can change your email settings again. If you had it so it was a digest and you decided you wanted each email or you had no email, you are able to update that at any time. So yeah, that is how you kind of can get to the Google group, but you are also able to go to your Gmail. And once you're in your Gmail, you are able to write an email to ohiocoaches@googlegroups.com. And this email will be sent to everybody on that listserv that is in that Google group. So if you need help with resources or you need some access to something or you have a question or a job posting, feel free to share it with the rest of the group because we are stronger together. And that is a great way that you can do it. And again, once you join, all of the emails will start to come through your inbox and you won't have to go to the Google group. But this is kind of that back end if you need to search old messages or old conversations within the Google group. And if you have questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I'm happy to help you with navigating or answering any of those questions when it comes to that Google group. Also, you will get access to the shared Google folder. It's shared with the Google group. So after you are approved, you will have access to this and you're able to kind of see some information that others have shared. So like PD ideas, graphics. This was our old meetings from last school year. And then like our winter meetup. So everything can kind of be found in this folder. If you're looking for different resources as well, feel free to add to the resources or create a new folder in this area as well if you find you might need to or find something that might be helpful. All right, again, if you have questions, let me know. If not, enjoy exploring the Google Coaches or Ohio Coaches Network.